Alrighty there, mates. We're gonna be cleaning me computer today. I've already done step 1 and unplugged the bitch. If you need to watch me do that, you're just a fucking retard. How you gonna clean your PC when it's still plugged in? You're gonna shock your living self. Also, we ain't gonna be using no doggies today. We're gonna be using this rusty bugger. I've already got my PC all set up. Gonna get the door off. Bloody plexiglass bullshit. Alrighty, as you can see, there's plenty of dust caked all up in this motherfucker. We're gonna be giving him a right old cleaning. Got me trusty fan holder. Don't want them getting too fast now. Alright, so the first place we're gonna fucking clean out. Let me get me fan holder in this fan right here. Yeah, fuck it, I don't give a shit. Sexy Lord with this. Oh god. It's Corona. Oh god. Whee! Forgot to use me trusty fan holder there. Fuck these case fans. Give a shit if the bearings fucking work or not. Filled with fucking piss crumbs and pet dander. Incredible. Alrighty, so I inserted me trusty fan catcher. A little late on this one right here, and it's done cut me fan catcher wide open. Gonna have to go bandage this up so I don't catch me coronavirus.